Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For the people who have already subscribed my channel and for the people who have recently found my channel, a hearty welcome to this channel. I am Padharthi Yashwardhan. I am an electronic enthusiastic electronic engineer who has a good knowledge in working with different microcontrollers, Raspberry Pi, 8051, Arduino Uno, etc. And I also have good experience in using simulator tools like HFSS, um, uh, circuit simulator applet, your multisim, etc. Now I also have a good a background in coding where I learned coding by doing myself. So now in this series of videos I am going to be sharing how to write a Python code for different problems. In the previous video we have already seen one problem. Now in this video, let us see one more problem statement. That is, let us say if we are given two strings S1 and S2, and if we ask what is the difference in the value between, find the common letters that are present in both of these strings. So how we are going to do this, let us see. So first let me create the code block. The first step is we need to take input from the user. So to do that, I will write S1 is equals to input, input, enter the first string. Similarly, I need another thing. So S2, or let's say this is string 1, this is string 2, is equals to input of enter the second string. Okay. Now let me just run it. You are seeing, let it asking my first string. I write hello and space world. And the second string I say hello friends and just say enter. Now So now we have successfully we are able to take input from the user. But now if we want to make sure the input strings are correctly inputted or not, to do that, just we need to write string 1 and then string 2. Now, how we are going to do is because in the previous video I have shown that whenever I just mention a variable name and I have run it, it will display the value of that variable. But here I displayed two variable names, one after the another. So now what you can expect is you will expect in the output it shows the first string, then in the next one the second string, right? But let's see what happens. Now when I run the code, you will observe it is displaying only the second string but it is not displaying the first string. Right. This is because in Python, whatever the editor you use, whatever is the last variable that is being displayed, only that value it will display in the output. Now if I want the output of both these strings, I just need to write print of string 1 and print of string 2. And just now I run it, you will see both the things have been displayed. Now we are being showed, right, that our string 1 is displayed and the string 2 is correctly inputted. Now let us see how we are going to find the common words between them. To find the common words, first we need to find what are the unique letters or characters that are present in each of these strings. To do that, I'll just say I will I will be taking the list of the data and I'm storing in S1, right? So S1 is equals to set of string 1. So what the set function does it takes the whole string and it returns me a list of all the unique letters that are present in the string. Similarly, I want the S2 which is nothing but set of string 2. So now what we are doing is we are essentially taking all the common letters that are present in each string. See, it has got executed. Now let us print this S1 and S2. To do that, I just say print S1, print S2, and I just say run. See, yeah, this is one thing I wanted to show you here, guys. See, it has displayed all the list of characters That's good, but it has also displayed the space. This is because here we have given between hello and world we have given a space. In Python or any editor, any coding language, whatever the space is there, that is also considered as a form of a character. So now if I don't want to include the character, what I need to do is when I am using the set function, after I mention the variable name, I need to give dot operator dot then replace this space with just two of this. Similarly, I will just write in the single digit also replace comma with this. This is a thing. Now let's see. Now again if I print, now you see the space is being eliminated. This is very essential. You should always remember. If you are if your output in your output you also want to return the space also, that also should be displayed, then you need not use this dot replace function. But if you don't want to, if you want to remove the space, you should you can you need to write this. Now we have to do. Now we have printed, we have find out what are the common, what are the unique letters that are present in each of this string. Now let us find what are the common letters that are present in string 1 and string 2. To do this, we just need to write result. So we just need to write result underscore string is equals to my s1 dot intersection of my s2, and I just run it. So what this does is it finds, it takes the string s1, it compares the each and every character of string s2, and it returns me only a string which is containing all the common letters that are present between string 1 and string 2. Just I will run the, let me print the output also. So just like print, let me copy this variable and just me run it. See, you'll see all the common letters that are present, common characters that are present between S1 and S2 are being printed. But it will be even good if these common letters are printed in alphabetical order. To do that, just you need to write print sorted of our result. So yeah. Now now just let me print. Now you see all the words have been printed in alphabetical order. But now there's a one problem. It is good that I have written the in for you to understand in a good manner. I have written the things in a neat manner. But it would be nice if you have been if you can directly make it as a user function so that you can iterate this for n number of string. To do that, just you need to go to the starting and uh, and friends, you may also ask me one thing. Why my code is starting execution from 13, right? You can ask that. That's because before I started recording this video, I have practiced some other program, so in which I have written some 10 lines of code and I executed it. So you can ignore that. If you are starting with, you can just go to runtime and just say restart this session and click yes. It is restarted. In between, let me write a code also. Definition. So I write diff space common underscore characters of what are the it takes input as string 1 comma string 2. Next we can directly take it from here. So copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here. See, So that's what I already explained them in individually. Now I am just combining into whole thing. Now in order to find the intersection, just let me go here. Let me take this, copy this line here, and I just paste it. Now I need to just return. So I just say return the string value. So I just copy this and I just paste it here. See? Yeah. So return this. That's the string. And also once I have inputted and I am sure my strings are correct, I just need to pass the thing. So in order to do this, output is equals to, let's say, common underscore common underscore characters of string 1 comma string 2, and I need to print it, so I just say print of output. So let's say, let's go with the common characters characters present in both strings string comma and our output. Yeah. Now let me run it. See, the first line is, first we have defined the function. Now let us take the input. Let me give the input as hello and space WORLD. Enter. And another thing is hello space Ramesh. Okay. And just enter it. See. Now let me first print my input, then the common letters I have printed. So now you have successfully, you are able to print, but the only thing is as you can see here, as I am in the function, I am not included, I have not sorted the output string, so you can see them, the values are random. If I wanted to sort this, you can just write sorted off the output, and just now let me write the output. You get the output, but written in a sorted manner. So now you can now you have understood how how everything is working, and what is the thing that is working. I hope you have gained a good knowledge about how you can write a Python program for such a situation. And if you are liking this series, please show your support by commenting in the comment section below, and also asking me various doubts, so that I feel motivated to create more such videos. And also do tell me about what do you feel about this new series. Thank you friends, and I'll meet you again in a new video, and bye.